Hi everyone, welcome to my channel English for 5 minutes. In this video, we will learn about the difference between I and me and then how to use I and me in writing. Ready? Let's get started. Me and I are both first-person personal pronouns. So if you want to know more about pronouns, I have a video called Subject Pronouns. So just click to this link here. So although I and me are both first-person personal pronouns, however, they are used differently in sentences. I is used as the subject of a sentence or as the person who is doing the action. As an example, I was sleeping when my mom came back from work. As you see in that sentence, I is subjective, is the doer of the action. So keep in mind and use I as the subject of the sentence, even if they are multiple subjects. So this is an example with one subject. I bought a book yesterday. This is an example with multiple subject or more than one subject. Melody and I played tennis yesterday. Okay, everyone, I hope you understand the concept of I and when to use it. Now, let's move to the me. Unlike I, me is used as the object of a sentence or as the person who is receiving the action. As an example, Camila bought me a new dress. Me in the sentence is the object or the receiver, while Camila is the subject because she is the one who bought the dress. Okay, this is example number 2. My sister asked me to help her. So who is the subject? My sister. What is the verb? Ask. Who is the object? Me. Okay, example number 3. My dad cooked for my brother and me. Who is the subject? My dad. Who is the object? Well, there are two objects on the sentence, my brother and me. You may wonder which one is correct, my brother and me, or me and my brother. Both are technically correct, but the most commonly accepted and formal usage is my brother and me. Okay, everyone, this is the end of the lesson for today. I want you to practice this lesson. So in the description box of this video, you will find the link of the website where you can download the practice lesson. The file name is I or Me Practice Lessons, and I will give you the answer key in the next video. Okay? Okay everyone, thank you for learning with me. Please don't forget to subscribe, give it a like, and share it with your family and friends so they can learn English with you. Until next time, bye now.